welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Today I'm going to be doing rice stuffing. Now this is what you would use if you want to use rice and you want to stuff something. There's a whole lot of different ways that you can make this, but this is just one of the ways to make it. I'm going to be stuffing chicken legs or chicken quarters, so I decided to stuff it with rice, and I'm going to show you the stuffing that I'm going to use. I'm going to need rice, onion soup mix, and you know this is my own version of my onion soup mix, thyme, sage, adobo seasoning, and I'm using the all-purpose one, salt. I do have a chicken bouillon cube because I want this to be really flavorful with the chicken. Minced garlic, mushrooms, celery, onion, red bell pepper, just a little bit of butter to use just to saute up my vegetables. And this is chicken stock. I always tell you, when you're making chicken, don't throw away your stock. Now, even though this is frozen, it only takes a small amount of time in order to thaw. So I'm going to be using that. Now, you don't have to use ground beef, but I'm going to put a little bit of ground beef over in this to stuff my leg quarters. So I'll get all of my vegetables cut up, go ahead and take it to the stove so I can saute this and then cook up my pot of rice. Be right back. Okay, now I'm at the stove and I'm going to go ahead and saute up my onions, my green peppers. This is red bell pepper, and my mushrooms. I'm going to saute up that for about 2-3 minutes. And if you look in that back pot, okay, I have, and this is just a light saute, I have my rice. So what I'm going to do, I have 3 cups of rice in there, and the ratio for rice is 2 to 1. So that means for every 1 cup of rice, you're going to use 2 cups of water. So in this case, I have 3 cups of rice, so I'm going to use 6 cups of water or whatever fluid or liquids I prefer. And the ones that I prefer is what I showed you, which was my chicken broth. Here, my chicken broth, my strained chicken broth, because what I did was, if I had any bones or vegetables inside of the broth, which I did, I just went ahead and took it out. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my rice. Now, when cooking rice, you want to bring it up to a light simmer. Once it goes up to a light simmer, you want to reduce your heat down to low. That's what a light simmer takes, about 10 minutes. Then you want to reduce your, or 15 minutes, you want to reduce your heat down to low for 15 minutes with your top tilted, and then you want to cut it off for 15 minutes, and you want to leave it without removing the top, and when you open it up, you should have the perfect rice. Now I'm going to go ahead and simmer this for about 2-3 minutes just to saute it up, and then I'm going to add it to the back pot. Now, I told you that I was going to use some ground beef, so this is just some ground beef that I've already strained all of the grease off of. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my pot. Now, remember, this is stuffing, and this is stuffing, rice stuffing, that's going to be used in my my chicken quarters, leg quarters. Okay. So this is going to, I added a little pad of butter to this, and I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to allow this to just cook up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you back after this is cooked up for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of the seasonings that you saw at the table, and as always, I'm going to put your ingredients at the bottom of the tutorial so you'll know exactly how much to actually use. And I'm going to put another 1.5 tablespoons worth of seasonings over into my rice pot. Now remember exactly what I told you. While it's coming up to a boil, this is the way you tilt your top on the pot. So you're going to bring that up to a light boil, and once it comes up to that light boil, that should be just about the time that these vegetables are actually have sauteed up, and I add them to the pot. I'm going to show you that. But right now I'm going to go away, finish getting this all sauteed up, and I'll add the mushrooms. I want to let this cook just a little bit before I do that. Be right back. Okay, I just want to show you what a light boil looks like. There it is right there. See, you see one or two bubbles and you don't see any more. Okay, that's what I wanted when I told you to bring it up to a light boil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the sauteed vegetables. And when I went away, I did go ahead and put in the minced garlic, and I put in the red bell pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stir this in, because remember, this is rice stuffing. So this is done just a little bit differently than if you're just cooking a regular pot of rice or some type of flavored rice. Now that I have that in, I'm going to go ahead and retilt my top, and I'm going to turn my stove down on low for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is over, then I'm going to put my top like that for 15 minutes, cut my stove off. After 15 minutes, this should be perfect. I'll bring you back and show you what this rice looks like. Be right back. Okay, I just want to show you what this rice looks like. This is the way it came out. Everything that you see on top, I'm just going to mix that all into the rice so that I can use it for stuffing. Okay, that's the end of the video. Chris is just making rice for stuffing. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.